Rich in antioxidants, these leaves combat oxidative stress, reducing inflammation and boosting your immune system. Known for their anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, soursop leaves can alleviate pain and support overall well-being. Studies suggest that soursop leaves may have potential anti-cancer effects, promoting cell health and fighting off harmful free radicals. Consuming soursop leaf tea regularly can enhance your digestive health, support heart health, and boost energy levels. We're thrilled to help you discover more about staying healthy and wealthy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wellness insights.